Hello everyone, we have a brake valve here, split valve for the brakes going to the pads, and the issue is air leaks coming here from this rubber one on this end when brake is applied. So we have to remove this valve. We're gonna take off this valve, so we have to figure out what's the problem. Why is it leaking when the brake is applied? So let's go. So this is the parts. So when the brake applied, leaks coming from here, from this release side. So what we're gonna do, we have to remove these bolts. We're gonna open, so you can check the repair kit if it is already damaged. See, so this is what is inside. Yeah, so I think there's no problem with here in the valve. First thing is we are gonna inspect this side. So when we take off this one, this is what we saw. The o-ring is worn, repair kit o-ring. So we have to gonna replace this one, and this one too have to take off. I check the o-ring too, because there's an o-ring here, this valve. So most like this issue, there's an o-ring here between this lock. If you remove this lock, there's an o-ring here. So that's the mostly case when you applied brake and leaks coming from this side. So because air is here, and if the o-ring here is worn, it causes leaks. As you can see there's an o-ring here. See this one? If this is worn from here, this will cause leaks during the brake applied. So it's worn because there's an oil from it. See? Oily. So this is the o-ring we're gonna replace, and this one too, replace the o-rings. So that's it. That's the cause why the air leaks coming from this side during the brake applied. One thing to inspect to aware is this one. This one should be flat. See this one? So once the air also leaks from the here, because this surface is all air and it was slapped here. So if there is a leak between this side and this rubber, it also causes leaks coming out from here, air leaks from here. So make sure that this rubber is good. Make it flat, and this surface too. Now it's ready to go.